Okay, the new neighbors have just arrived. We have our own personal rodeo. That's why we have a gate. As you can see, Bella doesn't know what the heck to think. And Duchess is upset. Just plain upset. So, these are all the cows that had their babies this spring. Shh. There's a creek down there, so they're herding them down the road. Life in Montana. Rush hour traffic. I'm recording. Oh, some of those cows got caught in the fencing.
Oh, did they?
Yeah. That wrangler got them out.
Oh.
Look at all the babies. Oh, mommy.
Yeah, mommy, where are you? Stragglers, calves. Well, you got quite a crew of
wow.
cowboys here, huh?
I said rush hour traffic?
Yeah.
On Edwards Addition Road?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. What was that? They knocking down fencing?
No, they're cracking a whip.
Oh. Oh, I see the whip now. This guy's got the whip over here. Shh. Okay, is this the pokey group up here? Stop it. Get down. That's all the newer babies. Oh. Can you see the little ones? Thought there was Indians. Just wanted to share this with you. We were outside here having coffee. It was just a little before 6 in the morning, and I looked up. I mean, I heard the stampede. I heard the thumping, the feet, and I looked up and I went, "Oh my goodness, here they come." Well. Shh, get. Oh, sorry.